Example. Let's take an example. How many meters can a man climb with energy from a slice of bread which produces 100,000 calories of heat? Man having weight 60 kg. Assume that the human body works at an efficiency of 28%. Take the average value of G to be 9.8 meter per second square. Let's see the solution. Here, mass and efficiency is given, which are 60 kg and 28% respectively. Let h be the required height in meters. Now, we know that the work done is equal to potential energy. So, by simplifying it, we get 60 into 9.8 into h joule. By calculating it, we get 586 h per 4.2 joule. Heat associated with the process is equal to 100,000 calories. On evaluating, we get 28 by 100 into 100,000, which is equal to 588 h upon 4.2. So, h is equal to 200 meters. Hence, the man can climb 200 meters.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.